Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are someone who likes to keep things private or just want a little less pressure when scrolling through your Instagram feed, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, find the Instagram app on your home screen. Now open it. Once you are in the Instagram app, go to your profile icon. Now scroll down and find the one post that you want to hide the likes from. Here you can see 3 dots line. Now tap on it. Here you can find the option of manage. Simply select it. Finally, you can see the option of hide likes. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you can see the likes have been hidden to others. And that's it. Now you know how to hide likes on Instagram. Whether you want a more private experience or just want to reduce the pressure of likes, Instagram makes it easy to control what you see. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.